Hello, friends. Here we are now with this topic of interest named the zodiac. We will talk a little bit about the zodiac signs, and so we start with the topic of the zodiac to know how it is originated. Life is something like a routine, but sometimes it is unpredictable, and sometimes some things are always the same. In this way, we have day and night, that one day comes after the other, and vice versa. We have asked ourselves about the conception of time and the many divisions we have determined where and what day it is, what year, what the weather is like, what season we are in, what time or what day it is. Thus, our ancestors wondered why, when observing the sun changes in the day or night, sometimes it was winter or summer, or why the rain, or storms, or those earthquakes, or any sudden change they had, as well as it is the same thing that we ask ourselves. The difference is that now we have had a lot of information about everything that happens and what does not happen as well. Little by little, we have learned the cause of these things, but in ancient times, the first inhabitants needed a long time to understand why things happen. They had to learn everything very slowly. Within ancient civilizations, we have that the Greeks were the first to mark the signs of the zodiac on their calendar. Since they studied the stars, they did their astrology studies of those stars that are the celestial bodies suspended in the space that we have. Speaking about the earth, we have that the transitional movement of the earth around the sun gives rise to a year. That is, like saying, the passage of the 12 months, which is the division made of this period of time. When ancient civilizations observed the stars, they took into account climate changes and temperature changes, day and night, forming the months and seasons of the year. They observed everything with respect to the sun and the moon, the stars moving through the existing space over the course of the year. These changes were marked on their calendar, resulting in the signs of the zodiac. The Greeks said that the 12 signs of the zodiac represented 12 very basic personalities of humans. This is how they named Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. This was very well accepted in the culture of Babylon and Egypt. The signs of the zodiac, for the Greeks, represented the 12 Olympian gods and their story of heroes within Greek mythology. The zodiac has very ancient origins in the cultures of Babylon and Egypt. In Roman and Greek mythology, they have the same equivalents. That is, they agree on this division of the months to name the zodiacal signs. Each star was representing God, in which space the movement of the sun, the moon, the planets, and the time they travel in their orbit are taken into account. There are different concepts between culture and culture, depending on their antiquity and location, but in general, the division of the month is accepted. A little more, a little less, having the influence of the stars on human personality, affecting human behavior depending on their birth, biological inheritance, and place of residence. That is, where they are born, where they live, what they have, and where they come from. Here we put favorable elements for each zodiac sign. Aries is fire, Taurus is earth, Gemini is air, Cancer is water, Leo is fire, Virgo is earth, Scorpio is water, Sagittarius is fire. Capricorn is earth. Aquarium is earth. Pisces is water. There are many interpretations and divisions in all discoveries depending on the nation or culture being talked about. Everything can be variable. Nothing is definitive. Tell me, did you like the zodiac theme? And we have finished. I will gladly see you in the next topic of importance to everyone. Greetings and thanks.